Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the letter U in Infinite Craft. To begin your crafting journey, first combine earth and wind on your canvas. This simple combination will yield the element dust. Once you have dust, drag it onto water to create mud. These two initial steps lay the groundwork for our unique letter. Continuing our path, take the mud you just created and combine it with fire. This will transform your mud into a solid brick. With your new brick in hand, drag it onto dust. This combination is crucial as it will give you clay, a flexible material for our next steps. Now, let's delve into more mystical creations. Take your clay and combine it with water to brew a potion. This liquid is essential for what comes next. Once you have your potion, combine it with dust. This powerful fusion will unlock the element of magic, bringing us closer to our goal. We are now at the final stage of crafting the letter U. Take your magic element and combine it with earth. This powerful combination will summon the legendary unicorn. For the ultimate step, drag one unicorn onto another unicorn. This unique fusion is the only way to reveal the letter U in your Infinite Craft collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.